Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for a smooth operation. Start by powering off your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws. Be cautious to keep them organized as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back cover off using your plastic spudger. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components. It's crucial to clean the area before proceeding. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust buildup, especially around the fan and heatsink. Now, locate the heatsink and fan assembly. You will see a few screws securing them in place. Carefully unscrew these screws and lift the assembly out. At this point, if you feel uncomfortable or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand what's needed. Next, clean the old thermal paste off the CPU and GPU using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Once cleaned, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to each component. Just a pea-sized drop will suffice. Reattach the heatsink and fan assembly, ensuring it's seated properly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you encounter any difficulties, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a simple process to get your device serviced without the hassle. After securing the heatsink and fan, reconnect any cables you may have unplugged during the disassembly. It's essential to ensure everything is properly connected to avoid any issues later on. Now, replace the back cover of your laptop, aligning it correctly before securing it with the screws. Make sure to double-check that all screws are tightened adequately. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro and monitor temperatures during use to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If any issues arise, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions on next steps without unexpected costs. This upgrade not only enhances performance but also extends the life of your device. Happy gaming! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.